welcome to the 6th Stakeholder Day of the EIT Raw Materials Baltic Sea Innovation Hub. My name is Olli Salmi, and I'm the director of the hub here in Espoo, Finland, where we will be broadcasting the sessions today. Together with me on stage here is Mia Smeds, our communications manager, who will be your host today. So, what to expect from this morning together? Growth through innovation in the post-COVID world. Well, we are not in the post-COVID world yet, so the focus is very much into the future. At the same time, EIT Raw Materials turns 6 this year. So there are quite a few activities that we've done during the past years that are now bearing fruit and showing results. There are numerous technologies, processes, services being upscaled. There are students, professionals, having received education, how to become an entrepreneur, how to innovate. And there are startups scaling up with EIT Raw Materials to really enter the business of the raw materials sector. So we will hear today from our industry partners, from universities, from research organizations and startups about their success stories that they've done during the past year. But the focus is not only in the past, so we also want to look into the future. We hope that this day, this morning, will inspire you. It will give you thoughts, and it will enable you to meet up with each other, start building consortia, and having those great proposals coming into the EIT Raw Materials pipeline as we've seen in the past years. Now, we are today making a hybrid version of the Stakeholder Day. This means that about half of the speakers are here in the studio with us, and about half of them are online, so bear with us. We will start with the industry partners with the EIT Raw Materials, looking at especially the critical raw material chains in Europe. We'll then move on to research and technology organizations to really get into how you get innovation to the market from research. Third, we will have our university partners telling and discussing how really to build the skill sets in young people and students that are needed in the future. And then finally, we have a selected number of startup companies that will pitch for us and for you about their project and their achievements. There is a chat box, should be a chat box in your YouTube, what you're looking at. So please use that. Put your comments and questions there. You can ask questions from the speakers, and we'll pick them up, and then you can join at least as much as possible in an interactive way into this show this morning. So once